I do see your terminal in the background flashing at us, by the way.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's cool, isn't it? I thought about making an update video for this, right? Because the video for that's done quite well. But literally, I set it up, and that's what it's meant to be. So I haven't got much else to say yet, and I want to make another video. I thought I'm going to make a really short video because I might make it right now. Okay. So basically, I set that thing up, okay, and it's basically done exactly what I wanted it to do, which was just to give me a little live stream. Like right now, it's a picture of the F1 track coming up this weekend. In 10 minutes, it's going to change to like something else, either a poem or the top BBC News headline at that time, or something. But nothing much. And the only thing I've done with it since setting up has been take it off the wall once and charge it for 2 hours and put it back on the wall. And it's been on the wall for like 6 months or something now. And that's what it's advertised as. Yeah. That's all it's doing is just pulling down 6 images a day and scrolling through those, and so that I get a little update. Oh, the weather's going to be nice today, and tomorrow actually, okay, I might need a jacket, and then I carry on with my work. And it's just that little bit of a drip feed of news, and it can do whatever you want to it. You can update once an hour, and then you won't have to charge it in a year. And I thought about doing a video about coding a panel for it, which I really want to do, but it's just getting round to it. But it just does. It's a really clever little use of e-ink, and that's what...
Yeah, it absolutely is.
Ed, you really like yours, right?
The terminal team, great. They are very responsive. They have a good Discord. Yeah, it just does what it needs to do. I forget it's there until I look at it, and then the information I want to have switching over is there. So kind of cool to see my graph for my website or my graph for my YouTube pop up. And it's not intrusive. It's one of the best implementations of a e-ink device as far as just to have there. Something you don't have to touch, something you don't have to go back.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, I love it for that reason. And I keep fighting the impulse to buy another one because you can link them and have one at the office and have one here, and they can actually share the same thing, and then
or you have different things,
or office mode or different thing. There's a lot of different stuff there. So I have
mine by the whiteboard. It's cool though. It just sits there and just has like the intermittent time on it. It doesn't tell updated time, as you guys probably know, but just know what hour it is good enough for me.
That's a nice place to be. If that's your life right now, oh yeah, it's somewhere in that hour. That's fine.
E-ink is such a cool thing because of all the different things you can do with it.